The Power of Forgiveness, a tale inspired by Ifa wisdom. In a land rich with traditions and spiritual guidance, there lived a great Ifa priest named Ejiogbe. Known for his wisdom and profound connection to the divine, Ejiogbe had many followers. Yet, as often happens when one's light shines too brightly, his teachings sparked the jealousy of others. Many sought to discredit him, their hearts consumed by envy and strife. Ejiogbe, though burdened by their discord, remained steadfast in his devotion. But the weight of the tension grew heavy, and one day he decided to leave his homeland in search of peace. He journeyed to distant lands to continue his sacred work, sharing the teachings of Ifa where they were most needed. Back in his homeland, things began to unravel. Without Ejiogbe's wisdom to guide them, the people strayed from the moral path. Chaos spread like wildfire, and even the king, once a ruler of great strength, found his power waning. As unrest gripped the land, the people began to long for the return of the priest who had brought harmony to their lives. One day, Esu, the divine messenger, revealed to the king where Ejiogbe had gone. The king wasted no time. He sent emissaries to find Ejiogbe and bring him back. When the priest returned, the king bestowed upon him the greatest authority in the land, the power to decide who would live and who would face justice. This immense responsibility weighed heavily on Ejiogbe. He turned to Olofin, the supreme creator, seeking guidance. Olofin, with a voice filled with wisdom, replied, "Whatever you do for the good of humanity, I will approve. Act with love, and your actions will carry my blessing." With this divine assurance, Ejiogbe made his first decree, a decision that would change the fate of the land forever. He forgave all his enemies. Those who had once plotted against him, consumed by jealousy and hatred, were transformed by the power of his love and forgiveness. Their hearts softened and they became people of virtue and kindness. The kingdom flourished once more, guided by Ejiogbe's wisdom and the profound truth that love and forgiveness are mightier than any weapon. A note of guidance. To walk this path of light, one must never tire of doing good. Receive Elegba, the guardian of crossroads, with humility and gratitude. Perform the sacred rituals, such as offering an akuko, rooster, to the waste heap, for it is through these acts that blessings flow. Olofin watches over those who act with compassion and rewards their efforts in ways beyond measure. The lesson of Ejiogbe. True power lies not in retribution, but in love and forgiveness. Through these virtues, even the hardest of hearts can be transformed, and the greatest challenges overcome.